Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is set to debut on January 22nd, and leaked marketing materials shared by Brazilian outlet Tecnoblog reveal detailed specs and exciting new AI features for the upcoming flagship lineup. Cameras and battery. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus cameras, a 50 megapixel main sensor with 2x in-sensor zoom, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultrawide, and a 12 megapixel front-facing camera. Battery, a 4,900 mAh capacity, capable of up to 30 hours of video playback. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Cameras, a 200 megapixel main sensor with 2x in-sensor zoom, 50 megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The selfie camera is a 12 megapixel shooter. Battery, a 5,000 mAh capacity, offering up to 31 hours of video playback. Performance. All models in the Galaxy S25 series will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM as standard. AI features. The S25 series introduces several AI-powered tools to enhance daily use. Now Brief, personalized summaries tailored to your day, including Morning Brief, weather updates, schedule overview, and energy score insights from Samsung wearables. Commute Brief, automatically starts navigation and music playback when you enter your vehicle. Evening Summary provides a recap of daily activity trends and memorable moments, such as photo collages. Google Gemini integration. Samsung apps will now work seamlessly with Google's AI assistant, allowing features like content reading from YouTube and interaction with Samsung Notes. These features promise a blend of performance, longevity, and smart personalization, setting the Galaxy S25 series apart. Samsung has redefined innovation, packing cutting-edge technology into a sleek, premium design that screams sophistication. With its futuristic 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED X2 display, boasting an adaptive 144Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits of peak brightness, this device is a visual feast. The Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, depending on your region, ensures unmatched performance, making multitasking, gaming, and productivity smoother than ever. And let's talk cameras. The 200 megapixel ISOCELL Vision Pro sensor captures jaw-dropping detail, whether you're shooting in daylight or ultra-low light. With advanced AI processing, your photos and videos will look professional every time. Samsung's One UI 6.0, built on Android 15, enhances the user experience with customizable widgets, intuitive gestures, and seamless app transitions. And for power users, the S Pen now comes with precision tracking and enhanced latency, making it the ultimate tool for creativity and productivity. All of this is backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with lightning-fast 65-watt charging, ensuring you stay connected all day. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement of what's possible. So, is this the ultimate smartphone for 2025? Let's explore every feature in detail and find out why the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone to beat. It's hoped that the same mistake won't be repeated with the Galaxy S25 series, leaving customers feeling uncertain about their choices. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Slim will share the same powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite processor as the rest of the S25 lineup. However, it may set itself apart with next-level camera innovations, possibly outshining even the base and Plus models. Furthermore, there's hope for an international release, though availability may vary by region. For now, fans can only speculate, as Samsung has remained tight-lipped about this mysterious addition. The Galaxy S25's AI revolution, transforming notifications. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is set to elevate the smartphone experience with a strong focus on artificial intelligence. With the latest iteration of Galaxy AI, powered by One UI 7, Samsung aims to streamline daily interactions and simplify notification management. According to leaks from Gerwin Giesen, the S25 series will introduce 3 major AI-driven enhancements to notifications. 1. Smart conversation prioritization. AI will intelligently identify the most important conversations, ensuring they appear at the top of your notifications. Whether it's a critical work email or a message from a loved one, the Galaxy S25 will make sure you never miss what matters most. 2. Message summaries. Lengthy notifications will be a thing of the past. The AI can condense long messages into brief, digestible summaries, helping users quickly grasp the content without opening the app. 3. Automatic grouping. Say goodbye to cluttered notification panels. The AI will group related notifications from the same source, offering a cleaner and more organized interface. These features are part of Samsung's broader push to make smartphones smarter, with Bixby also benefiting from advanced natural language processing, NLP. This upgrade could allow users to engage with Bixby more naturally, enhancing its role as a virtual assistant. While some users might appreciate the simplicity these AI features bring, others could prefer manual control. Whether Samsung will offer an option to disable these features remains unclear, but a customizable Galaxy AI settings menu could provide flexibility. Galaxy S25 pre-launch buzz and perks. Excitement is building for the January 22nd Galaxy Unpacked event, where the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra will officially be unveiled. Pre-orders are already live, with Samsung offering exclusive bonuses for early reservations. In the US, customers who reserve the Galaxy S25 have a chance to win a whopping $5,000 in Samsung store credit, whether or not they ultimately purchase the device. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 series will debut with One UI 7, introducing not only smarter notifications but also enhanced security, seamless multitasking, and AI-optimized performance. While some of these features may remain exclusive to the Galaxy S25 lineup at launch, Samsung is expected to roll them out to other devices later in 2025. The Galaxy S25 lineup promises to be a major leap forward for Samsung, combining powerful hardware with sophisticated AI. And with the possibility of a Galaxy S25 Slim arriving in Q2, 2025 might just be the year Samsung reshapes the flagship smartphone landscape.